Perdóname. Can you tell me where the church is?
Only if you give me some food to eat.
Donde su familia? Why are you alone and no one take care of you and feed you?
I ran away from home. The trees bear no fruit, and there are too many mouths to feed. If I stay here any longer, I will die of starvation.
That's not true. Your parents must be worried sick about you. You are too young and out here all alone. Here, I have some food.
That is all of your comida. What will you eat?
Whoever has 2 tunics is to share with him who has none, and whoever has food is to do likewise. Don't worry, hija. Like Jesus said in the Bible, my food is to do the will of him, and who sent me is to accomplish his works.
Está loco. You're going to starve.
As long as I'm doing the will of God, I will never starve. He always takes care of his disciples. My mother taught me that when our family was on the brink of starvation.
Really?
See, now go back to your family and share this food that I've given you. After you eat, remember to thank the Lord for all your blessings and have your family pray with you. The rest is in God's hands.
Muchas gracias, Señor. I won't forget your kindness or your words.
Follow me, everything is alright. I'll be the one to tuck you in at night. And if you want to leave, I can guarantee you won't find nobody else like me.
It is the year 2013.
So, our 3 stories